The flavor is just incredible. Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful masala chicken fry for all you chicken lovers. It's bold, spicy and loaded with flavors. So let's get started and check it out. Comment and let me know if chicken is your weakness. So first we're going to make a special masala powder that goes into the chicken. To the mixer jar, add 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of whole peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, a few small pieces of cinnamon, a few cloves, about 6 cardamom and 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder. So first we're going to grind this. Next I'm adding 30 small garlic cloves with skin. So if you don't want the skin, you can remove it and add it. Grind it along with the powder. So you can see you've got this lovely coarse masala powder here with the beautiful flavors of garlic. For this chicken fry, I have 1 kilo of chicken with bone. We're going to marinate this chicken with the fresh masala. First I'm adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Next add the freshly ground masala powder. And to this I'm adding 3 small onions that have been thinly sliced. Gently start mixing everything into the chicken pieces. Make sure all the chicken pieces are well coated with the masala. So it's a very simple chicken fry with nice flavors. It's very simple to make. So if you're having a sudden weekend party or you're having just friends over or your family's coming over for a nice dinner, this is something that you can quickly make. Marinate the chicken for about 30 minutes. This way the chicken pieces will absorb all those beautiful flavors. After 30 minutes, it's time to fry the chicken. Take a nice wide kadai. To this I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. Gently drop in the chicken pieces into the kadai. Start mixing it. So you can see the chicken pieces are beautifully marinated in that masala. Just toss in a few curry leaves. Close the kadai and cook the chicken for about 15 minutes on medium flame. So we're going to let the chicken cook in its own juices. After 15 minutes, you can see the chicken has released a lot of its juices and it's cooked beautifully. Leaving the kadai open, keep the flame on medium high and cook till all that excess moisture is evaporated. So I'd like to enjoy this delicious juicy chicken fry with some nice masala coating the pieces. I don't want it too dry. So you can see all that excess moisture is evaporated and the masala has become a bit dry now. The oil is beginning to separate. It's coated the chicken pieces so beautifully. So finally I'm going to finish off by adding some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the stove and this super tasty and spicy chicken fry is ready to be served. Well, it's time to enjoy this delicious chicken masala fry. Well, I'm having it with some nice steamed rice to get all those beautiful flavors. And if this chicken fry made you hungry, drop a heart. Well, I enjoy this right now. Wow. The flavor is just incredible. The masala, it's all in the masala. You don't want to miss this, guys. Well, I'm having it with steamed rice, but you can enjoy it with any main course, however you like. I bet you guys are drooling just looking at this dish. Well, don't wait. Get going, get your chicken and start cooking, and let me know how it turned out for you guys. And don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.